Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Rock, and I'm an affiliate marketer. And I help those who have spent years without a savings plan learn affiliate marketing to build income so they can get back in the game starting today. Now, the first thing you want to do is go over to Google and type in Amazon Associates Program Sign Up. And then you're going to go to Amazon.com Associates Central. Then you're going to see a page that looks like this. Sign up. Press sign up. Next, you're going to put your email or your phone number and put a password in. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account. Since I have multiple associate accounts already, I can't show you the actual application process step by step, but here are the steps you need to take. The first step is create a website or blog. People get stopped by this process because they think they need a website or a blog, but this is not true. All you need is a YouTube, you need a Facebook group, a TikTok account, or Instagram, and you can just use your URL or your link to put in replace of your website when they ask you for that. And there's a couple of other do's and don'ts, and I've created an ebook, a free ebook. The link is in the description to show you how to get approved for Amazon Associates the first time. Now let's go over to Amazon Associates or Amazon page, and I'm gonna show you how to create your Amazon affiliate links. On any product page, you go to the top left and it says get link. You tap that, and then they give you a short link. And here's your short link. Now you can copy this and paste this inside of ebooks, a blog, websites, or in groups, not private groups, but groups that are available to the public. In my next videos, I'm gonna show you how to do that step by step. So press that like and that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.